Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimensions 56.8 into 32.6 into 1.5 inch without stand. 56.8 into 33.7 into 9.8 inch with stand, and 56.9 into 32.5 into 1.6 inch without stand. 56.9 into 35.3 into 10.4 inch with stand. Weight 22.3 kg without stand, 23.2 kg with stand, and 21.2 kg without stand, 22.5 kg with stand. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm and 300 into 200 mm. Special features: PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhanced, and anti-reflective filter ultra, game bar 4.0, object tracking, sound light. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB, T2, S2, C, Europe. Maximum operating temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Part 2. Display. Display type OLED. Panel type WOLED and WOLED 42 to 83 inch, QD-OLED 55 to 77 inch. Screen size 55, 65, 77 inch USA, Europe, and 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness 1000 nits and 1200 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 57 ppi. Response time 12.6 millisecond and 0.1 millisecond. Bit depth 10 bit. Video processor XR processor and NQ4 AI Gen 2. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus adaptive hybrid long gamma. Auto low latency mode, yes. Part 3. Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4, 2 into HDMI 2.1 and 4 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 2 into USB A and 3 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.2. Part 4. Features. TV platform Google TV and Tizen. Version at launch 12 and 8.0. OS updates, yes. AirPlay 2, yes. Chromecast, yes and no. HomeKit, yes. Voice assistants Google Assistant Alexa and Bixby Google Assistant Alexa. Supports a remote smartphone, yes. Voice commands, yes. Part 5. Sound. Speakers 50 watt 2.1 acoustic surface audio plus and 40 watt 2.1. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby Atmos, yes. Dolby Digital AC3, yes. Dolby Digital Plus EAC3, yes. Dolby AC4, yes. Ditas X, yes and no. Ditas HD, yes and no. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.